Mamu.
Showing na bukas ang Filipino musical play na Parokya ni Edgar. Musical play na ang title ay Buruguduy Stuns Tuguruy Stuy.
Tama ba yun?
Sabi ko ba na tama?
Burugudoy
Medyo.
Stuns Tugudoy Stuy.
Ayun, may
Isa
kulang
itong
ako.
stage play, Mamu, para sa, for a cause, no?
Yeah.
Para sa mga hospital bills ng isang ina na sumailalim po sa heart operation. Umabot po kasi ng 3.2 million pesos ang mga bayarin sa ospital ng patient. Para po sa detalye, makakausap po natin si Benson Sian na nasa likod po nito at kasama rin si Jelly De Leon na siyang may nanay na pasyenteng sumailalim sa naturang heart surgery. Hello, welcome.
Hi, Benay.
Good afternoon po.
Oo. Ano ba itong play na to? Itong play na Parokya ni Edgar.
Well, this is a world-class original Filipino stage musical based on the 1990s band Parokya ni Edgar. So, sikat naman yung parokya yung
Yes.
Mr. Suave, hoy, 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 hoy. Diba?
Hoy,
Yeah.
hoy, hoy, hoy.
Yes. So, it's based on that. It's definitely world-class, and I was told that this is the most expensive local production to date by Newport World Resorts. So we're very excited to be sponsoring the June 13 show to help our friend here, Angelica. We're part of the same business organization, BNI.
Yeah. We're all BNI.
Yes. So we responded to her call for help, and we thought na para hindi na mag-isip pa how to donate, bumili ka na lang ng ticket, supportan mo na si Jelly, na-supportan mo pa yung Filipino theater, at nag-enjoy ka
Nag-enjoy ka
pa.
pa, tama.
Ayun.
Ang ganda naman ng layunin, Papo.
Oo. So ang parokya will magpe-perform ba sila doon o may mga kakanta lang ng mga songs nila?
One of the reasons na hindi ako nagdalawang isip to sponsor this is yung nanay ko, paborito niya si Pepe Herrera. Si Pepe Herrera played Lodi sa Rewind.
Yes,
si
yes.
Pepe.
Yeah. Si
Oo,
Lodi, yes,
tama.
of
And
course.
he's Mr. Suave in this musical.
Ayun na.
He's so
siyang
good.
bida.
He's so
Yeah,
good.
si Pepe, sobra.
Yeah. So,
Galing.
Nandun siya.
Andun siya, siya bida.
Paborito siya ng nanay ko. My mom's 90 years old.
Yan na yung si Jesus,
Oh,
no?
yes, Rewind. Si
no?
Lodi.
Si Lodi.
Oo,
Sa
yung
mga fans
character
ni
na yun.
Pepe,
Yes.
one good reason why you
Yes.
should watch this play.
Oo. O, Jelly, kamusta naman ang mom mo?
Yeah,
My mom after the recovery, after the operation, talagang iba na yung energy niya. Kasi ever since ang name niya is Magdalena, and when we check the Bible, 'di ba? Si Magdalena is someone na talagang yung hardworking person.
Yeah.
And then as my mom, talagang hardworking person siya. And then ngayon lang siya nakaramdam nung support. Given na hindi naman niya kakilala yung mga BNI members namin. So ngayon ko lang siya nakita na sobrang energetic na parang ngayon lang niya na-receive yung mga bagay na parang naitanim niya dati sa iba. Ngayon niya naani sa ibang tao.
Oh, that's
Nice.
nice.
So
Bakit
nice.
umabot ng ganun kalaki yung expenses?
So yung expenses po kasi, actually there are two types of surgery for her. One is the open heart surgery, which is very risky for her kasi galing lang po siya sa breast cancer. Yan.
Okay.
So para po maiwasan yung mga risk na matitake niya, so we take yung tinatawag na TAVR, that's transcatheter aortic valve replacement. So parang nilagyan po nung stent yung puso niya instead na inopen yung body niya for it. Yun.
So, mahal yun. Yung
Yun
klaseng
po.
procedure.
Yes. Oh.
But at least she's well. Dahil tapos na yung procedure.
Opo. Talagang
and
parang hindi siya nag-surgery.
Ayan.
Ganon yung feeling niya.
the heart is becoming strong again.
Yes.
Yun nga lang, meron pa kayo mga dapat bayaran.
Bayaran.
No?
Opo.
Sa hospital, no?
Yes,
Kaya
po.
ginagawa natin itong ganitong
And Angel
cost.
Benz
Oo.
Yes.
came along.
And that's coming from being vulnerable
Yeah.
and then being open, and then I feel yung support ni Benz. Actually, we do have a small chat group, and then parang nag-open lang ako doon ng feelings ko na may anxiety, sadness, and all that hard stuff. And then nung morning pala na yon, nag-iisip si Benz ng parang ano ba yung magagawa ko for parang,
Without knowing that she had that problem. Si Jelly is a very hardworking person. She joined our organization 27 years old. So she's now only 30 years old.
3 years ka na pala. Oh.
Para pasanin niya yung such a big responsibility, yung buhay ng nanay niya yun diba? So,
Yeah.
I could understand, yeah.
Kaya to
And-
the rescue ang Angel Benzi.
Yes.
The whole BNI community.
Also, yeah.
Yes.
So far,
ngayon, paano makakatulong yung mga viewers natin?
Yes.
Syempre by watching this display,
Yes,
no?
yes.
Paano sila makakabili ng tickets?
June 13 is our sponsored show, 8 p.m. at the Newport World Resorts. Can I give my number?
Sure,
Yeah.
go
You can
ahead,
just text me 0918.
are you okay with your personal
Yes,
number?
yes.
Okay, just be
Ingat
careful
lang
sa
sa mga scammer, ha?
na text, ha? Anybody who text from
may
our
mga
show
scammer
and
kasi.
asking for money, that is not us. Okay.
0918-8989-601. 0918-8989-601. June 13 na po.
This particular show, June 13, Thursday night,
Thursday.
is what you are, that's the show that
Benefit.
you bought, no?
Yes.
To benefit your mom,
Yes.
Ma'am Magdalena.
Yes.
So let's make sure that we support the June 13 show kasi they are here to invite you guys for the June 13 show kasi the proceeds will go, 'di ba, for the Mami Magdalena's
Yes.
hospital bills. So,
Bills, no?
Yes.
Mga magkano ang ticket?
yeah.
Okay,
price
the most expensive I think is 5,000. So the cheapest now is 2,000 plus, yeah.
2,210.
Bronze ubos na
Yeah.
At least naubos na yung
Available
bronze.
pa
And
ang
laki pang
5,000
venue
and
ng
2,000.
Newport. So,
1,710 seater. Punuin po
Newport.
natin.
Oh,
Yeah.
saka ang sarap na nag-enjoy ka na
Nakatulong ka
manood
pa.
ng play
Yeah.
na ito. Tapos nakakatulong ka pa sa kapwa.
I know.
Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi lang basta kumbaga one way.
Hindi ka lang basta
Na-enjoy
nagbigay
ka,
ng pera,
no?
that's it,
Oo.
di ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Na-entertain ka.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, na-experience nyo yung pera nyo.
Correct.
Yes.
Na-share mo pa sa ibang tao.
Yeah.
No? Galing Ganda ng ginagawa nyo.
And we're helping local Filipino theater.
Yeah.
Tama.
Ang rami nila sa cast
Oo.
Bukod kay
Diba?
Pepe, sino pa?
Bukod kay Pepe,
Yeah.
you have a whole ensemble ng mga choir, ng live orchestra, ng costume, ng set. Ang rami. Almost, 300-400 people.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That make it the production?
Yeah, ang
That
rami
make up the
nila. May
production,
special
no?
effects.
And then,
Magugustuhan mo si Norma.
the costume nila talaga, sobrang
Norma.
pinaghandaan. Sobrang
Oo.
mafe-feel nyo talaga na, ay, sobrang expensive nga talaga nung show. Yeah.
So,
Before
please
we
come and
go,
watch it.
Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan.
Yeah.
Good evening, good afternoon everyone. So thank you so much po Julius and Tintin for
You're
having
welcome,
us
you're
today. So I am so very grateful to Benson for taking this action and yun, talagang something na hindi ko ina-expect and something na we just need to be vulnerable and darating yung time na parang makakaramdam ka ng support and love and everything good will happen just to be open and being vulnerable.